There is another question asked by Debo Priyo Roy. This person is asking you, भैया आप मुझे स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइड कर सकते हो कि इंग्लिश पे फ्लुएंट होने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? एट फर्स्ट कौन सा सीखना जरूरी है? ग्रामर इम्पोर्टेंट है या नहीं? प्लीज रिप्लाई सर. Hello and welcome back everyone to English Finglish channel. I welcome everyone and namaste to everyone from me and Anand to all of us watching together. Today we have come up with an interesting video, and this video is based on question and answer. Your questions are through the comment and answer would be verbally together in front of you today. So if you all are guessing why am I here and what am I doing on Anand's channel, it's because Anand has called me up here to introduce me to you all. I have already been introduced a way back in our previous video. If you all feel like you can watch that, I am Kavita Divakar from Kavita Divakar YouTube channel. And today I am here just to introduce some of the tricks and tricks followed by me and Anand, because both of us are from that background where we have learned English by ourselves and nobody else has helped us. So there are some genuine learners who have been asking us some questions repeatedly, and I felt like we should be coming up with a video where we should be answering them together. So Anand, I have those questions written with me on my phone, and I am going to speak up on that, and you will have to answer it because it is actually required from your viewers and you are
Okay.
their teacher. Okay, so your
No,
first
no, as
question.
well. Yeah, you can also, give your experience after giving mine, because I think, yeah, you are also a natural learner, so you can give them some tips that will be helpful for them.
Okay, so but there are people who are been asking you sir and bhaiya. So for denoting sir and bhaiya, actually sir and bhaiya has to come. Okay, so
Yeah, I
first
love
question,
it. Yeah. Mm. To
respectful,
becoming
right?
bhaiya, yeah. Yeah,
Right.
bhaiya. Yeah, it is lovely word, bhaiya. Really.
Okay, so first question is from Pinky Study Vlogs. She is
Mhm.
asking you, sir, आपने English कैसे सीखा? सर
Okay.
बताइए, कैसे सीखा
Yeah.
आपने?
So, hi Pinky and hi everybody. Okay, I'm going to tell you my journey. Okay, it is quite interesting because I remember when I was in standard seventh. Okay, and I was Hindi medium student. So on those days, I got introduced to like cricket commentary. Okay, and on those days, I became a big fan of cricket, and I started watching cricket match. And while I was watching cricket match, Uh, I was watching those matches in English. Okay, so I felt that these cricket commentators are very smart. Okay, how they are speaking English. Okay, such brilliantly. So I thought, no, I will also learn how to speak English. What did I do? I started, watching cricket. I was listening the commentary. I was imitating them. I also used to speak in front of like my mirror and anywhere. I started practicing. Okay, and later on, I saw that yes, I started behaving like cricket commentator a little bit. Okay, so yeah, this was the first introduction with English on those days. With later on, I started reading and writing as well. Like I was picking up any topic, I was writing about the topic, and that writing helped me a lot to think in English, and to get a vocabulary, which was very important for learning English. And in this way, I think, yeah, I improved my English. But I will always tell that listening was big part in my spoken English, and still I do listening every day.
Okay, so in short, Anand sir has to answer Pinky saying that if you are desiring to learn, you need not follow a particular sequence for learning English. You can randomly select anything and start speaking upon that. Okay, that
Right.
will help you. And if anybody wishes to know how I have learned English, how I have become fluent, you can go and watch out my video on my channel. So I'm not going to waste time here. Okay, so let's come to the next question, Anand, for you. There is another question asked by Debo Priyo Roy. This person is asking you, भैया आप मुझे स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइड कर सकते हो कि इंग्लिश पे फ्लुएंट होने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? एट फर्स्ट कौन सा सीखना जरूरी है? ग्रामर इम्पोर्टेंट है या नहीं? प्लीज रिप्लाई सर.
Okay, of course, I will answer her that, she can learn how to speak English by just, watching things, observing things, and observation. Because I have seen one thing, that while you are watching things, you can see that how people are using their words in which context. and which is very important. You can grab that word as well as the context. Most of the time, if you will go to watch a particular, if you'll go to learn a particular word, then I think you can learn. But while you are watching the series of things, like if you are watching movie, then you are observing everything, situation, in which situation what word has been used, what kind of grammatical structure has been used, and that is what help you to become an active learner. So I always emphasis that you should become an active learner, because you should watch things, listen things, you should read, write, and become a practical learner. But as far as grammar is concerned, I think, yeah, you must know basic grammar, because yeah, basic grammar is important, but you should never go to learn advanced grammar at beginning. Otherwise you will mess up and you will leave everything. So yeah, that's what
Okay.
I want to tell.
So in short, I would also like to add some point that anybody who wishes grammar is very essential, and without grammar you can never do English. Definitely you can watch out grammar, and grammar learning does not require a separate book or a public teaching or a tutor. You can just Google up and learn some basic grammar like noun, pronoun, adjective, prepositions, tenses, most important, nothing more. These are
Mhm.
simple things which can be learned even in a week. So grammar is not a barrier to your speaking language, I must say. Okay.
Yes.
So Debo Priyo Roy, I feel your question is answered. Last question for the day I would like Anand sir to answer is quest by Abdullah Al Noman. He is
Abdul.
asking, yes, Abdullah Al Noman is asking you, I need help to practice with someone. I learn, but I don't have anyone who can help me to practice. Can anyone help me?
Yes, Abdullah. Yes, first of all, I would like to say that there is a one group that has been created by me, okay, on a Skype, where I think more than 500 learners are practicing their English every day, and you can talk with video call as well there. So this is the most beneficial thing for you there. So you can check my description box. You will find that link, a Skype link, and you can join that group. So it will be helpful. Moreover, you can also nowadays find so many social media groups where people are learning English, like on Facebook, Twitter,
Okay.
Instagram, Telegram. So you can join those groups, you can find a right partner, and you can practice with them as well. So today it is not like tough task to get a partner. Yeah, those were the days where when we had no internet, so we had lots of problem to find a partner to practicing this. But today it is very easy, you can find easily.
Okay, Anand. So even I would like to add something to here is I have learned English by myself. I am the real example to all those people who feel that having partner is essential. It is not that essential. If you are willing to learn by yourself, talking to yourself on a daily basis, you will also improve. So I feel these 3 questions were enough for today, and we have answered to all of them in a genuine manner. If anybody wishes to add more comments, if anybody feels like they have more queries which needs to be answered by either Anand or by me, you all can ask us in the comment section of this same video. Definitely you will get another video of us through which you will be getting your own answers updated and which will be verified by Anand sir. So thank you, Anand, for calling me here. It's been a pleasure again to be on your channel. And one more thing I would like to add here is in the previous video which we had created it together where you introduced me, there were many people who have appreciated me, and through your channel there are many people who have joined my channel, although I'm unaware of their names because I cannot particularly go to each one and say thank you. I would publicly say thank you to all those people who have joined my channel. It's overwhelming to have you all on my channel. Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you, Anand, once again for calling me here. Is there anything which you would like to add? Please say.
Thank you very much, Kavita. Yeah, just yeah, and I want to tell our viewer that if they feel like getting answer of any question, then definitely they should comment below in this comment box. We will come up with the best question next week, or maybe as convenient it will be for us. Okay, so we will come up with this, and we will try our best to give them answer. Okay, because what happens a lot of time, we don't know the way. We think that English is very fancy language, we can't learn, but just English is something you have to go with easy method, you can
Yes.
easily grab it.
Right.
Mm, yeah.
So thank you all for watching us together. I was Kavita joining with you, Kavita Divakar from Kavita Divakar class channel, and he was
And
Anand joining you all from English Finglish. So whatever you feel, all of them who are new to us can subscribe to Anand's channel definitely.
and as well as Kavita's channel link will be in my description box, so you can go
Okay.
and you can watch her videos. Her videos are very helpful. So
A
yeah,
unique kind of thing, I must say. I
okay,
try
yeah, it
creating
is.
something different than others. Okay. So this is it for today. We shall end the call here.
Yes, yeah.
Thank you so
So
much everyone for watching us. Take care. Bye-bye.
thank you everybody. Yeah, bye, bye, Kavita. Bye.
Bye.